Greetings everyone, welcome to my kitchen. For all my first-time viewers, you're most welcome to our family. Today I'm making a simple meal without spending hours in the kitchen. I'm cooking beef stir-fry. Please find the ingredient list in the description box. With everything prepped in advance, cooking gets done quickly. To start, I heat some olive oil and add the beef. I stir this and add salt and black pepper. Then I continue stirring until the beef is browned. I now set it aside in a clean plate. In the same pan, I add the onions and capsicums and add a little oil as needed and saute these. I prefer using red onions for this recipe. However, brown or white onions can work too. I don't want to add too much oil, so I add a little water and let this simmer on low for 2 minutes. I add garlic powder, paprika and garam masala, followed by the meat and a tiny bit of water. Feel free to skip the garlic powder if preferred, because I will also add some crushed garlic. I mix to combine and add vegeta and garlic. At this point, I add plain flour slurry, turn the heat down to the lowest heat setting and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Our beef stir-fry is now ready. It can be paired with rice, chapati, bread rolls or wraps. We had it with rice and it was so delicious. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. If you do, kindly share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Please show your support by subscribing and clicking the notification bell to be notified whenever I put up a new recipe. Thanks for watching and bye for now.